Good morning, Sid. Time to get up for school.
But Dad, I don't want to go to school today. I'm still tired.
Well, it's your fault for staying up late every night to do science experiments. Come on, you're going to be late. Your cereal is getting cold.
Dad, I said I'm not going to school today and that's final.
School is very important, Sid. You need it to grow up and learn.
For the last time, Dad, I'm not going to school today. I'm staying here and resting.
That's it. If you don't get up for school right now, I'm going to ground you from doing science.
Okay, fine. I'll get up for school.
Good. Your cereal is on the table. I got you Lucky Charms.
Well, Lucky Charms? That sounds good. Okay, I'm coming down. Well, this looks nothing like Lucky Charms. This is cream of wheat.
Got ya. I only said that to get you up. Did you honestly think I would give you Lucky Charms? I wouldn't give you any cold cereal, only cream of wheat.
No, I don't want this shit.
Sid, how dare you smash my bowl of cream of wheat on the floor?
You make this shit every day, Dad. I hate it.
Well, too bad. Because I'm not making you anything unhealthy. That's it. You're grounded for 2.5 years. Go to the car right now, your mother is waiting for you.
I really hate you.
What's the matter, Sid? Everything going okay?
No, Dad always makes me cream of wheat every day for breakfast. I'm tired of it. I want something else.
Well, he's made it an awful lot lately. I'll tell him to stop making it for you and maybe actually make an actually delicious breakfast for you, like pancakes or scrambled eggs or bacon.
You will? All right. Thanks, Mom.
Sure, sweetie. Anything for you. Anyway, I see school. I'll drop you off so you can get out. Okay, here we are. We're at school. Have a nice day and don't cause any trouble. Love you.
Thanks, Mom.
Hello, class. Today we will be going on a field trip to the shoe factory in New Britain.
But Miss Susie, I don't want to go to the shoe factory. It's boring. Can't we go to the crayons factory instead?
No, Sid, we can't go to the Crayola factory, because it's all the way down in eastern Pennsylvania, so no. And it's too far for us. We're going to the show factory and that's final.
But Miss Susie, I don't want to go.
Too bad. You're going whether you like it or not. Now deal with it.
No, I want to go to the Crayola factory.
Sid, I said no. It's too far away. We're going to the shoe factory. If you don't come, then you will sit in detention for the whole day. Do you want that?
No, fine. I'll come with you.
Okay. And when we get there, class, we will be learning about how shoes are made, and then when we get back, I'll give you a test on what we learned there. And if you fail, you get suspended for a day. And yes, this means you, Sid.
Oh, come on, Miss Susie. I'll try to behave and learn as much as I can in the factory.
That's a good boy. Anyway, let's line up. The bus is waiting for us outside. And Sid, make sure you behave yourself. You get 5 chances, 5 strikes, and you're suspended with a red card. Now let's go.
Hey Sid, are you ready for the show factory?
To be honest, no. I didn't want to go, but Miss Susie made me. I hate shoes, they're boring.
Oh, I'm sorry Sid. I didn't want to go either and would rather go to Dave & Buster's in our local area of Orchard Grove. Miss Susie refused that suggestion and is taking us to a dumb old shoe factory instead. They don't even make good shoes either, they just make work shoes for businessmen and women. What a scandal. My mum got shoes from there and they broke within a week.
They must be cheaply made then. Why would Miss Susie take us to a dumb old shoe factory?
Because we need to learn on how shoes are made to interest you for a treat. And this is a school field trip, so it has to be educational.
Why couldn't we go to Dave & Buster's or Crayola factory?
Because you're in school, duh. You need to be educated even on field trips. That's why I'm taking you guys on this trip.
Well, this was poorly planned.
That's enough, Sid. You just have received your first strike, 4 more and you're suspended. Don't make me give you 5.
When they got to the factory.
Okay kids, we're at the factory. Just need to go over a few rules. Stay together, no food or drink on the tour, don't push, don't cut, don't scream. If you have a question, raise your hand, and listen to me and the tour guide at all costs. We have any questions before we go in?
I have a question. Why did you bring us here? It sucks here.
Because you need to learn something since you're in school, like I told you on the bus, and I have to follow the school's curriculum, and they said it has to be an educational trip, not a vacation. Any other questions? Good, we're all set. Here are your notebooks and pencils. You will need these for the test tomorrow, so I want you all to study. Okay, let's go in.
Hello everyone, I'm Steve and I will be your tour guide today. We are going to see cycle on how shoes are made. Please come with me. Okay, this is our warehouse and this is where we get all the supplies to start making the shoes with.
Wow, cool. I've always wanted to see a warehouse.
Hey, kid, don't interrupt. If you have a question, raise your hand. Yes, young man?
You know that this company makes cheaply made shoes, right? Then you should ship all of this crap back to where it came from.
Hey, that was so rude, young man. This place makes really good shoes.
Sid, that was very disrespectful. That's it, you've received your second strike. 3 more and you're out.
Okay, this is where we put the shoes together. As you can see, a worker is putting the buttons of a pair of shoes over there. Yes, young lady?
What kinds of shoes are they building?
Oh, they make businessman/lady shoes. They make loafers and high heels here. They're made with the most best material we could find on the planet.
This is so boring. Why would our teacher take us here? It sucks. I want to go home. Wait a minute, I got an awesome idea. I'm gonna sneak away from this crappy tour to go find a computer to play on. I'm bored to death here already. No, to get the hell out of here. I'll wait until the tour is over and then I'll go home with the rest of the class. Excuse me, sir, where's the bathroom?
The bathroom is near the entrance.
I'll take you to the bathroom, Sid.
Oh, but I know where it is and I can go there myself.
Okay, I'll write notes in for you as the tour moves along. If you're not back in 5 minutes, then I will check on you.
Okay, I'll be back in a jiffy lube. Those fools, they think I'm going to the bathroom, but I'm actually going into the tour guide's office to play games on his computer until the tour ends. Ha 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 ha. Now to find his office. Here's his office. Now to break in. What? It's locked? Well then, I'm going to break it open with a fire extinguisher. Okay, now to block it open. Alright, now to get inside. Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. Okay, time to play some Minecraft. What? It needs a password? How about Sid Fasheen Second 08 inches? No, damn it. Let's try Caillou 97. Frick, wrong password.
I wonder if Sid is done in the bathroom yet. It's been 10 minutes already. I'm going to go check on him. Hey Sid, are you okay? Sid, it's Miss Susie. The tour has left without you. You're taking a long time in here. Come on, finish up and let's go, now.
Jeez, lady, I'm trying to take a crap here, and I'm not Sid. Leave me alone.
Oh, sorry sir. He's a student in my class and I can't find him.
What? Did you say that one of your students is missing?
Yes, his name is Sid. He's a small boy with a red hoodie, dark blue jeans, and purple hair.
I think I saw a little boy who looked just like that going into Steve's office on the footage of the CCTV camera. Come to my office and I'll show you the footage.
If this password is wrong, I'm gonna smash the computer. Yes, it's right. Now to play some Minecraft. Oh good, download Minecraft for free. Okay, it's downloaded, now it's time to play it. What happened? The computer crashed? Oh no, whoa, now the screen went black. Oh no, it's the blue screen of death. No, I'm out of here. I don't know what happened in there, but I think I have Steve a virus on his computer. Oh no, I'm so busted when he finds out. I can't walk home, it's too far. I'll just wait on the bus until the tour is over.
Aha. Got you. You're in big trouble. You the tour just to wander around the building. And were you in my office?
Oh no.
You were in my office, weren't you, you little brat?
Yes.
I'm taking you back to Miss Susie. I'm going to lock the door to my office first, and then you're coming back to the tour.
No 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 no. I don't want to be in the stupid tour group. I want to go home.
Too bad. Your teacher brought you here for a reason.
No, don't go in there.
Oh, and why not? Why is there a blue screen of death on my computer? Did you do this?
Yes I did. I was trying to play Minecraft, but then your computer crashed.
Oh. Sid the Science Kid, how dare you sneak into my office, hack my computer, and download a virus? That's it. I'm so taking you back to Miss Susie. Miss Susie, I found you're a missing student. He snuck into my office, hacked my computer, and downloaded a virus on it.
Oh, that little troublemaker. Sid, get over here right now. Sid the Science Kid, what in the heck were you doing? Running away from our group, trespassing in someone's office, and downloading a virus on his computer?
Okay, I'll tell you why. I was bored of this stupid field trip, so I decided to sneak into his office and play Minecraft, but instead, I actually downloaded a virus onto his computer.
Well now guess what? You've now received 3 strikes, which means, you're now suspended for 1 day. The bus driver will take you home. Come with me to the bus right now. You're in huge trouble, young man. Look, I'm so sorry that he broke into one of your employees' offices. I knew I should have walked him to the bathroom because I knew he wouldn't behave on this trip.
That's okay. We'll just simply fix Steve's computer and tidy it up.
Sid, why are you home early? And why is there a red card in your hand?
You need to see this note.
Dear Sid's parents, your son has been an absolute menace on the school field trip today. During the tour, he asked me if he could use the bathroom and he said he knew where it was and I let him go by himself. I waited for 10 minutes, so I went to check on him, and found out he wasn't in the bathroom at all. Then the manager said that he caught him on footage playing games in the tour guide's office. Then Sid put a virus on his computer. I'm suspending him for a day, Miss Susie. PS he already failed the test for what we learned on this trip.
Sid the totally messed up science kid. How dare you misbehave on the school field trip? You know that trespassing is against the law, and that using someone's things without permission is wrong too. That's it. You're grounded for 8 months. This means no PS5, no PS4, no seeing the Super Mario Bros. Movie this weekend, no presents for your birthday or Christmas this year, and no more Chuck E. Cheeses. Go to your room right now and think about what you have done.